Hi folks, my name is Tom Peterson and I'm proud to do a video presentation for you today on this 2020 Arctic Fox. It does have the rear kitchen. It's got lots of space inside that unit, and like they always do at Arctic Fox and everything, they build them strong and sturdy and heavy, and they also build a lot of storage inside. So we'll start there and finish on the outside. So a big part of this floor plan is the rear kitchen, giving you some good counter space here, giving you lots of window and light naturally, as well as a skylight above. So you have a very gray day today, but it's very, very well lit inside. And a lot of folks that do buy these products want to go out there and be off the grid. And it's nice not to have to wake up and have lights blaring away just so you can have coffee in the morning and do anything. So you do have the nice counter space, the bigger oven that they do put in them, your microwave with the stainless trim on it makes it nice as well. You also see solid wood cabinet doors and also shelves there. You'll see the solid wood here and on the inserts, which is real nice to have. So you've got all that storage there that runs through, again, the big windows. And also these windows are dual pane, so it helps a lot for sound deadening as well as insulation. And you do have your booth right across, so if you are sitting with another couple to visit and everything, you can sit back and easily talk to each other, as opposed to in some RVs, they're kind of kitty corner and they're side right next to you, and you're always turning over and looking over just to kind of have a relaxing time with somebody else. So this is real nice, kind of user-friendly for that part. You do have drawers that's going to be underneath for both your overhead storage. Also, you're going to have this storage on the inside. And with this rear kitchen design like that's nice because you have more pantry in there if you want to. You got 4 drawers down below, this closet hanging space, and then more like for maybe linen closet there. And then in the bathroom, that you can gain access to the bathroom when the slide out's in from the other front door as well too. So makes it nice to access it. You do have a good sized shower, stainless sink under the counter there in the bathroom. Needs to be put in, and you've got your nice area here for the bed to walk around, and you've got nightstands on this side here at least, and then over there you're going to also have hookups of plug-ins anyway, at least if you needed to have like a CPAP or something with machines. You've got that for either area. Overhead storage that you've got above. You also have a fantastic type fan, a high-powered fan, and that's going to be in the main area here, the bedroom, bathroom I believe, and also in the living area, so makes it nice. Storage will also be under here, and then you have access if you needed to get inside from that other doorway in the event that you need to get in and use the restroom while you're traveling. Again, the skylight lets all that. There's the other fan we talked about. You have a TV that you can see as part of that entertainment center. It is an LED-C, so it can work on 12 volts. When you're not plugged in, you can be able to play a video and stuff there or watch some things over the air. You also have recliners there with little holders that go here for like snack trays. And then you've got buttons on there that'll be for heat and some vibration, I believe. So any more questions that you have regarding that, you give me a call at the number you see at the end of the video. But Arctic Fox is a heavy-duty product. They're not building them to be out there lightweight. They're building them pretty heavy, so it's good to have your truck all set up for that. You do have push buttons on independent for your scissor jack, so each one work independent of each other. Makes it real nice and more versatile when you're on uneven ground most of the time. So you've got that, your outside shower. You've got a heavy-duty ladder there. Also nicer lights with a backup feature to them and a lighted area there for your license plate. You also have a larger hot water heater too, which is nice too. These could be either 10 or 12. I apologize, that's something I can answer. Give me a call at the end of the video. We'll find out for sure, but I believe it's going to be at least a 10-gallon on your hot water heater. And then you got the storage here, which makes it nice in behind that kind of area in the wardrobe closet. By the booth, you got your black tank flush, and then you got storage that pass through. Right now this unit was locked up, but it does have this open height here and storage that goes all the way through. Also, Arctic Fox still puts a very nice and expensive fiberglass cap all the way from that top area down to the bottom. So it's real nice to have that protection when that's the area that hits the wind the hardest. So if you have any questions, at the end of this video, you'll see a phone number. Give me a call. It's Tom Peterson. Been doing this for 29 years. I'd love to help. Give me a call. Talk to you soon.